started pitching Carlet Town Center to our clients, we understood that they easily connected to the product. I think the reason being they have witnessed or seen the similar projects in Dubai or any other NRI market. So it was very easy for them to understand the open spaces, the architecture, the planning, the entire look and feel. So the conversion rate for us for Carlet Town Center is really high. I mean, 8 out of 10 clients are willing to invest in Carlet Town Center. It's all matter of pricing or inventory. So we don't find a challenge in selling Carlet, especially to NRIs. My understanding from last 15 years in real estate is if you compare a standalone and an integrated township, always the appreciation, the demand will always be there for a smart township. And that we realize based on COVID, we could see that clients automatically want more space, they want more greenery, they want more lung space, they don't want to stay in a small project where they don't have any amenities. So Carlet Town Center is one of those projects where we can give 10 out of 10 because everything is covered here in terms of amenities, in terms of retail, commercial, entry exit points. The small things are taken care. So after COVID, the brand value for Carlet Town Center will surely go up, and we are seeing that right now. The Zenith, in fact, I was really excited when I saw the video where the existing clients are so happy. They call themselves the Zenithians, and the way they are speaking speaks volumes on. I mean, it's a small community of hardly 400 families, but they are happy. And when I saw the project myself, I was extremely, excited to work. So clients are really happy to buy in Zenith. They are referring more clients. And if we have to come to Vario Homes, again, people who are not looking for a 2 crore plus property, Vario is a very good premium luxury project in the same campus. So we have a mix of both, something which is completed and something which is just under construction. So that gives a balance to the township. I think the main feature what I've understood is the density. People don't want to have lot of apartments and lot of supply. So in Carle, what we have seen is there are hardly few residential towers. There are not much of supply. It's more of retail and commercial. So clients know that tomorrow if they have to stay or sell or rent it out, they're always going to get that premium in the market, which unfortunately we don't get in most of the projects in and around Bangalore. Even my personal experience and my clients have seen is that the transparency, the trust, and the support what we get from Carl is unmatched in the market. I mean, we are treated really well in terms of how the things will work out. There is clear communication on pricing, inventory. There are no false commitments. So that is something which any client or any consultant would want. The storytelling in this project is real. I mean, usually when we sell other projects, we'll say, sir, this will come and that will come. Here already the township is taking shape and the way the work is going on. I'm sure there's no comparison to this location itself. I mean, we are in the heart of the city in Bangalore, New Bangalore. The location is really prime. The connectivity is really good from this location. And the amount of money which Carl is investing in this is phenomenal. So I mean, I personally love Carle as a product because it's not just a piece of land where you're coming up with multiple towers. No, there's a lot more to it.